this is number 8 on the 5354 homework for this week. So it says reasoning. Find the difference between the perimeters of the rectangle and the hexagon. So we have a rectangle here, hexagon here. First, we need to know how to find perimeter. So remember, we have perimeter and we have area. Perimeter is when we add all of the sides together. So it doesn't matter what shape it is. When we have a shape that has straight edges, we can just add all of the sides together. So when we're doing, let's find the perimeter of the rectangle, and we'll bring it down here. Well, I'm actually going to use what I know about the distributive property. So I could either just do 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 7 plus 2x plus 7, because remember we have to add all the sides together, or I could multiply each of these sides by 2, because then it would represent both sides, right? So 2 lengths and 2 widths. So I'm going to do 2 times 2x plus 7 to represent these two sides. And then I'm going to add that to 2 times 2x, and that's going to represent these two sides. So once I find this answer, that will give me the perimeter. I'm going to distribute. So I'm going to end up with 4x plus 14 plus, and then 2x times 2x is 4x. I'm going to combine my like terms here. So I have x's and x's. Remember, I can't combine 14 with anything because there's no other like terms. There's no other just plain old numbers. So when I do 4x and 4x, I'm going to end up with 8x plus 14. Okay, so this is my perimeter of the rectangle. I can't find an answer, right? I can't get to the bottom of this because I don't know what x is. It doesn't tell me anywhere where x is. So for right now, this is my answer. Now I'm going to move on to the hexagon. So here I'm going to add all the sides together. So I'll start here, and I'm going to kind of cross them off as I go so I don't accidentally add them again. So I have 2x plus 2x plus x plus 8 plus x plus 6 plus x. Now I'm going to combine my like terms. So it looks like I have x's and I have regular old numbers, just like I do with the rectangle. So I have 2x and 2x, that's 4x, plus 5x, plus 6x, plus 7x, plus 8x. So I end up with 8x's. I'm going to double check. So I have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I can also combine the 8 and the 6. And all of these are positive. You can see there's only addition. So I'm going to add, and then 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, so the perimeter of my rectangle is 8x plus 14. The perimeter of my hexagon is also 8x plus 14. So it really doesn't matter what x is, because whenever we plug them in, we're going to get the same exact thing, since we have 8x, and then we're going to add 14 in both scenarios. So what that means is the difference between the two perimeters is 0. There's no difference. We're going to have the exact same perimeter no matter what x is. And then it says interpret your answer. The perimeter of the rectangle is, and I don't know the options off the top of my head, but it's the same. Whatever option is equivalent to the same. The perimeter of the rectangle is the same as the perimeter of the hexagon. So there we go. Both of them are 8x plus 14. Let me know if you have any questions about this one.